Why, hello there, it's good to see you again. Now you can see my beautiful face as I do my impressions, yes. Today I'm going to be defiling the recipes of the vegans from this book. It's called Soups and Hearty Stews for All Seasons. Yeah. We're gonna take this and add meats and all the dead animal flesh into here, because the vegans, they are trying to take over the world and prevent the eatings of the flesh, and they will not allow it. Fleisch forever! For 1,000 years!
Das war ein Befehl! Der Angriff Steiners war ein Befehl! Wer schickt sie?
The sweet and sour cabbage stew, I'm going to add some chicken in it, maybe some broth, and then other things, maybe some Middle Eastern spices. Yes, we're all about the spices here on this channel. Spices and impressions, make it even spicier.
Hot, spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Just for you.
No thanks, I choose life.
So what we're gonna use for this wonderful recipe? I have one whole Napa Cabbage. I will only use half of it. Some Saute seasoning from Saudi Arabia.
What the hell you say?
I'm throwing in some ground ginger, some regular ginger grated. You need the garlic. Do you see nice cloves? Can you smell it? It feels so good. The salts. I prefer to use mine from the sea. Some carrots. These damn root vegetable. This is why we lost the war.
Feiglinge! Verreiter Versager!
Mein Führer, was Sie da sagen, ist ungeheuerlich.
Die Generalität ist das Geschmeiß des deutschen Volkes! Sie ist ohne Ehre!
I'm throwing in some green onions. There's the on the bag from the Walmart. Uh-oh, looks like I'm going to have that problem in a few years. Potatoes. There's so many good things that come from potatoes. Carbs, starches, vodka, and my only reason to exist. And then some paprika. Paprika. It's for spices, not for naming your kids. You know who you are. And then the sugar. Just 3 tablespoons. You're going to love it. If you don't love it, naughty boy is going to get spanked. Oh.
Harder, Daddy. Son?
What the hell is even that?
So let us put in the olive oil, the green onions, the regular onions. Mix it up real good. Add the chicken, baby. Mix it up again.
What the hell?
Add the broth to it. Mix it up again. And now it is time to add all the other goodies. All the chopped and the spinach, and I mean the cabbages. Add the paprika. Throw it in. Add the salts. Tablespoon. Add some of the ground ginger. Yes. Add the ground ginger, Daddy. You know you're going to love it. Add the Saute seasoning. Yes. The sugar. Add it, baby. Add all the lemon juices. Yes. Pour it all in. You know you love it. You know you love the lemonies. Lemony snickets going around and around. Oh yeah, add more.
What the hell?
Add some water. Mix it up. Transplant it, move it around, put the lid on and set it to cook for about 30-25 minutes. At the moment of truth, we will taste this. Needs more sugar. It's okay.
Nein, 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 nein!
I balanced out the salt and the sugar, but this leaves much to be desired.
No shit.
But I would recommend you maybe add some more meat to this. I tried my best to overcome the disappointing flavor of the veganism.
You tried your best, and you failed miserably. The lesson is, never try.
But, you know, it would be very good with if you add the Orangensaft. That might give it some more punch. That's a blitzkrieg, if you will.
No thanks. I'm all set.
Anyway, guten Abend, and I will see you later. Bye bye.